In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive's Shared with Me section. Whether you're collaborating on a group project or organizing shared files from colleagues, this feature is immensely helpful. We'll walk through accessing and navigating this section in a simple and straightforward manner, ensuring you can manage shared files with ease. First things first, let's get you to your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and enter drive.google.com into the address bar. This will take you straight to the home page of Google Drive, where you can view and manage your personal files. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with various options, one of them labeled Shared with Me. Click on this option to enter the section where all files and folders shared with you are displayed. As you enter Shared with Me, you'll immediately notice that the layout might look a bit different from your personal drive. At the top, there are options to sort your files. You can organize them by the date they were shared, the owner, or other criteria depending on what's most convenient for you. Taking a moment to sort these will help you find what you need more quickly. In this section, you'll find a stream of files and folders that others have shared with you. Clicking on any of these entries will open the files. If it's a document, you'll be able to view and in most cases edit it directly within Google Drive, provided you have the appropriate permissions. For folders, clicking will display the contents, allowing you easy access to open individual files as needed. If you find yourself using a particular shared file or folder frequently, it might be beneficial to add a shortcut to your drive. You can do this by right-clicking on the file and selecting Add Shortcut to Drive. This option enables quick access without altering the original file's location. For enhanced organization, consider creating a personal folder in your drive where you can add these shortcuts. This way you can integrate them into your organizational system and maintain a tidy workspace within Google Drive. Before wrapping up, just a quick tip. Always ensure that you're respecting privacy and permissions. Only make modifications when you've been granted the rights to do so. Keeping open communication with collaborators is key to a smooth shared workspace environment, and there you have it, a simple guide on navigating Google Drive's Shared with Me section. I hope this has been helpful in making your file management simpler and more efficient. Keep exploring the features of Google Drive to find more ways to streamline your productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more tech tips and tricks.